Hi guys, Charles Bulger here with a reminder for you. It's June. The year is halfway over. So, what's my point? Well, it means that you only have half the year left to put in place and reach those goals that you promised yourself you would reach at the beginning of the year. You remember when you promised to lose some weight, make more money, stop smoking, be a better communicator, work better with the team. Regardless of what your promises to yourself and God were, half the time is gone. But don't fret, the year's not done yet. You still got time to put those things into action. So, if some of those were lose weight, make more money, meet better people, I got you. Come join me, Boomy Moore, Daryl Keck, Cedric Harris, Cochise Bryant, Angela Mathis, and others with Jeunesse Global. Not only are we associating with people of the highest caliber, good people. Under the definition of good people, you see some of their pictures. So not only are you meeting good people, we are having fun, we are fulfilling some promises to ourselves. We're making some money. We're building businesses. It's really a no-lose situation. So, if you still got some time left in your schedule and you're trying to make a change so that you don't end up at the end of 2015 like you left 2014, then give us a call. I'm at 678-437-3866. Email is looklikenew@outlook.com. Website is www.jeunesselife.info. But yeah, come join us because TikTok, the clock is ticking, the year is going. This is my Zen Fit because I'm still working on my promises to myself. And this was mine. You got to go get your own. Talk to you later. You guys be blessed.